Meet Shared Calendar and Planner. It's a shared calendar, PTO, and vacation tracker built directly into Microsoft Teams. There's no sign-up required. Just install the app and start scheduling events and planning your business workflow right in Microsoft Teams. Create custom event types like day off, vacation, or birthday. Assign users straight from Microsoft Directory and add attachments so everything is organized in one space. The app works seamlessly in Teams channels, chats, and meetings, so you can update the shared calendar instantly during the call. You can even share a calendar via a QR code. You can also sync your shared calendar and planner with other calendars, Outlook, Google, or Apple calendars. This way you make sure that are always on the same page with your team. Customize calendars with your team colors, logos, and themes. Make the planner match your organization's identity and choose the preferable layout. Shared calendar and planner. Create accurate event schedules and share them with your team members exactly where you work.